Viewers, ahead of phase 4 polling, West Bengal Congress chief Adhir Ranjan Chaudhary is turning up the heat on Chief Minister Mamata Banerjee. In an exclusive conversation with Times Now, he made a sensational claim against Mamata Banerjee. Attacking the West Bengal Chief Minister, Adhir Ranjan said that she was the reason why the two alliance partners could not have a pact in West Bengal, as Didi wants to save his nephew Abhishek Banerjee and was doing Modi ki dalali and his lobbying. Listen in.
इंडी अलायंस में बंगाल में कोई अलायंस नहीं हो पाया, लेकिन आपके कैंपेन ट्रेल में हमने देखा है कि लेफ्ट आपको जो है सपोर्ट कर रहे हैं।
ये हमारा सीट एडजस्टमेंट कर चुके हैं हम लोग, ये खुलेआम की है, कोई चोरी छुपी बात नहीं है।
दादा, आपको लगता है कि अगर तृणमूल ये एडजस्टमेंट कर लेती तो बीजेपी को नुकसान होता और अलायंस को फायदा?
अगर एडजस्ट कर लेते तो दीदी के जो भतीजा है खोका बाबू जेल के अंदर चले जाते, जेल के अंदर सर रही होती, इसलिए दीदी आत्मसमर्पण कर चुके हैं, सर झुका दिया है मोदी की चरण में।
क्या इसीलिए उन्होंने नहीं किया?
हाँ, बिल्कुल।
Now, Adhir Ranjan has now found himself at the receiving end of TMC's ire as the party shared a clip on social media platform X alleging that there is a BJP-Adhir alliance in Bengal as BJP's Behrampur candidate Nirmal Saha showered petals on Congress's Adhir Ranjan Chaudhary during the poll campaign.
Adhir Chaudhary is a man of Narendra Modi. That's why Adhir Chaudhary, who is Adhir Chaudhary? He is leader of Congress party in Lok Sabha. He is practically the opposition leader of Lok Sabha. And Narendra Modi ji, he didn't came in support of BJP candidate in Behrampur, Adhir Chaudhary's constituency. It proves that Adhir Chaudhary is basically agent of Bharatiya Janata Party and his godfather is Narendra Modi.